Hello everyone, if you don't want to play Valorant and you keep getting this error, when 9001, this build of Vanguard requires TPM version 2.0 and secure boot to be enabled in order to play, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error on Valorant easily. So in order to fix this error, you're going to have to go into your BIOS menu. So just restart your computer and press your dedicated BIOS key on your keyboard to open up your BIOS menu. Once you're in your BIOS, now what you're going to do is you're going to open up the advanced mode by pressing F2 or just clicking onto advanced mode here. And once you're in advanced mode, now what you're going to do is you're going to go into settings and then you're going to go into MISC here. Once you're in MISC, now you're going to have AMD CPU FTPM or Intel CPU FTPM here. You're going to enable it, and then once you have enabled it, you're going to go into save and exit and restart your computer. And once you're done with the computer restart, now you're going to go into your BIOS menu again, and this time you're going to go into boot. And then you're going to turn off CSM support here. After you've turned off CSM support, now you're going to go into secure boot and then you're going to enable secure boot on here. If for some reason you can't enable secure boot, then you're going to go down into secure boot mode and change it from standard to custom and then restore factory keys. Once you restore factory keys, it's going to ask you to restart your computer. So you're going to restart your computer and then go back into your BIOS. Now you're going to go into secure boot and you're going to enable it and then set secure boot mode back to standard. After that, you're going to go into save and exit and restart your computer then. Once you're done with the computer restart, you'll see that you will not get that Vanguard error van 9001 anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.